Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. And in today's video I am going to show you how I make my cucumber night cream. I use this cream on my face. I use it especially in the night and it's very effective. And this channel I make DIYs video for hair and for your skin. So if you like video like this, consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So to make the cucumber face cream, the first thing you need is your cucumber, and as it progresses you will see the other things I use for this cucumber face cream, and it's very effective. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and this is my third time I'm using this. Then I decide to show you guys, share it with you. And you know that cucumber have a lot of benefits for your skin, guys. Cucumber is so good. You know, if you like cucumber, if you like eating cucumber, you know cucumber contain about 98% of water, and also cucumber contain anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and with nutrients like vitamin C and the folic acid. So just imagine all these ingredients only in cucumber and other benefits that comes with it. So after grating my cucumber, then I'll just go ahead and strain out the juice. It's the juice that you need, not all of it, and you will see how I do that in a bit. So cucumber gives a soothing effect against skin burns, irritation, and reduce swelling. Cucumber also have power to relax and alleviate sunburns, pain, and it also provides base hydration. Guys, can you see all of these benefits in cucumber? And also cucumber helps to combat premature aging. Cucumber contain, like I mentioned earlier, both vitamin C and folic acid, and cucumber help to glow your skin and help to fight premature and other benefits that comes with it. So if you want to get all these benefits, try out this cream and you will not regret it. Then guys, the next ingredient I'm going to use is my aloe vera gel, and this aloe vera gel I got it from Amazon. So I'm just going to scoop about 3 to 4 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel in my bowl, and then I'll just proceed to add my juice, and I add about 1.5 tablespoons of the juice, and then I'll proceed with my coconut oil. You know, I got a lot of video like, can I use this oil, can I use coconut oil, can I use almond oil? If you always watch my video to the end of it, you will see that I measured everything there. You can use any essential oil or carrier oil that is good for your skin. Like I love the most aloe vera, I love coconut oil and almond oil a lot on my skin, so that's why I always use these 2 ingredients. So you can use any carrier oil that is good for your skin. So guys, I'll just go ahead and mix the coconut oil and the aloe vera a bit before adding the next ingredient I'm going to add. Then I'll add my glycerin. You can use glycerin, you can use preservative, depends on what you have. You can also leave this one, is optional. Then I'll just go ahead also and add my vitamin E. This vitamin E oil, this is what I got. I did find the capsule, but if you got the capsule, you can add one of the capsule. This cream I make is for it will last me for about 1 or 2 weeks. Then of course, you know guys, if you have been watching my video, you know I don't miss essential oil for my DIYs. Then I'll just go ahead to use the tea tree oil and also the lavender essential oil, and then I will use about 5 to 6 drops of the essential oil. Then I'll go ahead and mix it together until everything, the coconut oil, dissolve well before transferring it to my storage jar, and you see that in a bit. Guys, this part takes a lot of time, so if you are doing this part, make sure to take your time to mix it together until the coconut oil dissolved before transferring it to your preservative or to your storage bottle. So you can see that it's getting dissolved a bit by bit. This process will take about 10 to 20 minutes. The coconut oil already solidified, or you can decide to melt your coconut oil before using it. So guys, this is how it is. You can see now it has dissolved completely, and then this is the consistency it gives. Aloe vera also have a lot of benefit for your skin, and just combine aloe vera and this cucumber juice. You can imagine the effect, especially for people that have dry skin. I have a dry skin and sensitive skin, and ever since I've been using this DIY face cream, I have not have any reaction or irritation. It's just well normal, and in the morning you can see how my face is glowing, and also I've not really had a breakout on my skin. So guys, after that I just transfer it to my storage jar bottle, and then that is it. So guys, this cream, I normally store it in my refrigerator, and this can last me up to 1 or 2 weeks. You can also use the one that will last you for 2 days, depends on you. So guys, this is the consistency, and you can see how well it's moisturizing and melting in my hand. Guys, with this you can save money. You don't have to waste a lot of money. Guys, I also use store-bought anyway, so though, because some people say that it's just better to just go and buy in the store, and this I do use store-bought things, but I prefer making mine at home, because with that I know what I'm applying on my skin. I know what is there, because the one in the store you can't completely trust them, because some of them might lie that this and that, and some of them might even add some ingredients they use in it. So guys, with this DIY, you know what you're applying on your skin, you know what you put there, you know how you make it, you know how long it will last you. It's very sure and 100% right. You don't have to be scared of any other thing that is there that might be harmful. So guys, that is it for this DIY face cream. Hope you will try it out. And guys, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with friends, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, because I have a lot of video coming up. I have a lot of DIY video for your hair and for your skin. So guys, that is it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.